Hello you guys, it is Kaylee here with Embrace the Adventure, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. So I'm actually going to do kind of a vlog style video. I've never done one of these, but I thought it'd be pretty fun. So Graham's saying hi. But part of the fun of this lifestyle is we usually, yeah, we're near or at least within driving distance of a really cool city or a really cool location, someplace cool to visit. And right now, since we're staying in Biloxi, Mississippi, we're about an hour and 25 minutes from New Orleans. So we thought we would take today, go visit New Orleans, go explore. The boys have never been there. So actually going to Cafe Du Monde because I want beignets so bad, so I cannot wait. I haven't had them since I was 16. So ready to do that. Had a protein shake for breakfast to balance out all those calories coming. Ollie, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Graham, you ready to go explore New Orleans? Yes. And there's our chauffeur.
As always.
All right, guys, so we'll check in here in a few. Anthony just parked this bad boy like a champion, and we are about to hit the city. I'm so excited. You see a bus?
You don't get a hold of me. That's cool, isn't it?
Look, the rainbow snake.
Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we lasted, what, 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours or so in the French Quarter. We went to eat lunch at, I think it was it the Market Cafe? Not sure, but it was really good. Had to order off the kids menu per usual because I'm a vegetarian and there's never anything. But Anthony had the bacon, chicken bacon ranch, and it was good, right? Yeah, it was good. And then cheeseburger the size of his head.
A double cheeseburger.
A double cheeseburger. He called it a Krabby Patty. He enjoyed it. and Smalley had a grilled cheese as well, so we always kind of share the kids menu. But yeah, then we went to get beignets at Cafe Du Monde, and then we were kind of just walking around and we found that little toy store, which was a nice little surprise for the boys. And then, you know, we kind of walked around some more and then left. So I mean, we really enjoyed it. And again, since we were staying so close to New Orleans, it would have been silly to not go and visit. So really fun day trip, kind of spur of the moment, really fun. So yeah, let me know down below if you like these like short little vlogs of our travel days, like what we do once we're in an area, when we go visit different places. So I enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Take a second, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Graham, say bye. You gonna show your cars? Oh, those are cool.
Don't forget to post me on Facebook.
Okay. Ollie, show your giraffe. That's your shoe. Yay!